How to remove search suggestions on Shopee. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to remove search suggestions on Shopee. Go to the Shopee app and make sure to log in. Tap on the Me tab and scroll down. Tap on the Help Center option. In the Help Center, scroll down to the end and select the chat option. Type, "I want to delete search suggestion history" and send. It will send you some tips to delete the search history. Go back to the Me tab and tap on the gear settings icon. Log out of the account and log in again. Make sure that your Shopee app is updated to the latest version. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.